Hi, my friends. It is Ian again. I just wanted to make a fresh video on one of the most popular tools that members use. We've seen so many banners created using this tool, and I just want to make a fresh video because it's evolved quite a lot. And I've been making a lot of animated videos just lately. So what I wanted to do is just show you, instead of little update videos, I wanted to make a fresh video all about the Pro Banner Builder. And this is it. Let me just do that. And it's a simple little gadget that Martin's put together. And one of the most popular sizes is 468 times 60. Okay, so we'll start with that. And the great thing is we've got quite a few different sizes that Martin's added now. I used that one the other day. And let's show you the one I made on our blog. So it's mytrafficblog.space. And there's the one I made the other day, look. It's not animated, this one. Oh, go away. That's it. Okay. So, really good. So let's have a look then how we made, or something similar anyway. So we're going to start off with the 468 times 60. And what you can do is once you've chosen your size, then we choose a template. And here are the ones that Martin's put together. And a lot of them I've seen are this sort of thing. So let's just show you this one. So there it is. There's the preview, the banner preview of what we've got up to now. Okay, now the great thing is Martin has added this where you can add a background colour, but not only that, let's just make a little light blue. So you choose the colour by moving this bubble about, and then you click anywhere, and there we have it in the background. Now another great thing that it's added is the fact that you can put a picture in the background. So let's do that. Now what I'm going to do to get that, just cancel that for a second. I'm going to left click on there and then right click to open up the Pro Banner tools in a new tab or window. I think it's a tab, isn't it? Now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go to, let's have a look now. Where am I? I've moved these about quite a bit just lately, but royalty-free stock photos. And these are by Pixie Bay. And all you do there is choose the image that you want. So I'm just going to put in there sky and see what we come up with. Okay. Now it's going a bit slow because I'm actually making this video, and it's silly when I'm making videos, everything slows down just when you need it to speed up. But we'll try and be patient and come up with an image for the sky. And it's been very, very slow. Sometimes when this happens, I just restart my PC. I don't know what this has got to do with the sky, unless it's a person. Let's have a look, see what we've got down here. Wow, some right weird and wonderful pictures here. I don't think we're going to get anything to do with the sky. Okay, then let's try something else. Beach. Let's have a go with a beach. There you go. Now let's say that we wanted to use, I don't know, come on baby, speed up. Now these are paid. Can you see that? These are paid ones, so we want free ones. So let us say something like this. Okay, so what we do is left click on it. And what we can do, because we're not using the URL, I don't think we need to translate. We can right click over the top of that and then copy the image link and then go back over to the members area. Click on there and you can see the light blue in the background just down here on the preview. We're going to paste that URL. It's got to have an address online. It can't just be a something. And there we have it, look. Can you see that? Now the great thing is Martin has added this Y offset. So in other words, we can move it about. Can you see that, look? We can move it about till we get the right look. Well, I actually liked, because I was after the sky, I'm going to move that there. I just want that. Okay. Now the great thing as well, you can alter the opacity. Okay. You can make it darker, which helps with some of the text, and that's really dark, and that's black. Okay. So we're going to leave it at that. Okay, and we're going to alter some words. So now you can either click on here, which will give you a few more choices. You can alter it here. So if I put there something like Buildabizonline for all your, and then I'm going to put 3 dots. Okay, so that's filled that nicely. Affiliate. Tools. Okay, so just something as simple as that. Now, there's more edits. If you click on here, look, yeah, you click on there, you've got 1 or 2 things you can do up here. So I want that to be bold. Okay, and I also want it to be underlined, and I also would like it to be something like, I'm just going to go with a red for now. Okay, so that'll do nicely, and then we click save, and there we have it. Okay, so you can add more to it, you can take away, you can do whatever you want. So if I click on there, because I don't like the underlining, I'm just going to click that, and I don't like that colour, so I'm going to go back to black. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that just to show you what we can do. Now the great thing about it, if you belong to a program, or let us say you wanted to personalize this, what you can do is left click on the image, either on the call to action just there, or the image there, okay? And you can change it for whatever you wish. So let me just cancel it for now, come back over to the members area. Let me just, I'll tell you what, I'll just click there like that, and I'll come up with an image, and there's the image of me. So you can personalize it. So you can copy the image link because that's already hosted at Buildabizonline. Left click on there, come over here, and we can left click on that again, and we can delete that out of there, or simply paste that over the top. And there we've got an image of myself. So I could add my name in here as well. Let's see if this will work. So if I left click underneath here and then go Let's see if that'll work. Now, what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to highlight that and take out the bold and then save it. Okay, so we're just going to keep that. So you can personalize your banners as well. As I say, you can change this call to action as well. Okay, so you can do that, but I'm not going to do that because that sticks out pretty well. And then if you're happy with that, all you do is click download and then right click and save as. And what I tend to do is click desktop and I put it on my desktop. I'm just going to do new banner. Okay, so there we have it, new banner. Now I'm going to show you something else that you can do as well. If you wanted to make a series of banners using this same theme, and what you can do, by the way, is you can save this. If you click that, it'll save it to your local PC, and then you can load it back in later on. So that's one good thing. But I'm just going to left click on there. I wanted the image out the back of there. I think I've still got it out. Yeah, I've still got it open over there. So what I'm going to do is this. I've never changed it this way around before, so you'll have to bear with me. Okay, so let us say that we wanted a new size. Say that size. Okay. And what we could do then is choose a template. So let us stick with that. Okay. So now we've got that. Okay, and what we can do then, we'll go back over here. We can right click, copy image link, and then we can not click on that one, Ian. We can go back over here and we can paste that in there and click on there, and then we can drag this about again. Now that is about right where it was before, isn't it? So do you see what I mean? You can get some kind of a theme going. And then what you can do up here is just say, click a different colour. So let's see if red will work. Yeah, it's not too bad. Can you see it? And then what you can do, if you want to click on here and you want to change that lettering, say, let's just say, I don't know, dark blue. But if you stick into the same theme, obviously you wouldn't want to alter these, but, and then click save, and that's not too bad. Can you see? And it's a great thing. So you can stick to a theme, and all you do is right click, and what you should see then, oops, sorry, I am wrong. Download the banner, crazy man, and there you can see you've got two banners using the same sort of theme. So if you've got a program you belong to and you put the image of the program in the background or something like that, then you can make banners of the same theme. Now I'm going to go one more and I'm going to click on this one because I have used that quite a lot. I'm going to choose a template, which would be that. Okay, so you can see all that is on there. Now let's try this picture again. So I'm not sure if, let's have a look. I'll copy that again. Copy image, link just there, go over here, and then we're going to left click on there, paste that in here, and see what we get. So there we have it. Now that has got the beach in it. And obviously this is not standing out, so let's move this again. Let's see if we can do it. Now, because it's a bigger size, I don't think it's going to move it about. So maybe that might not be a good idea in this one. Unless that's a small bug with the system, I don't know. But our friend Martin, who created this banner builder, he will see this and we'll he'll have a look, see why that is not working. Maybe it's because it's a square banner, I'm not sure. There's one more other thing that you can do with this as well. And it's just here, look. You can either have a solid border, so let's say it's a solid one, and I wanted a black border. There we've got a black border, and if we wanted it dashed, we can have that as well. So there's the dashed. Okay, you can barely see it here, but let's just make it a different colour. No, it's hardly noticeable in this video, but I can assure you we'll have a solid or a dashed border. So there we have it. And as I say, what you can do is just save this and give it a name. Click OK, save it onto your desktop, and then you can load it back in later on and carry on editing. So there we have it. That's our banner builder. Now this is the Pro version, and we tend to see more Pro members wanting to upgrade and get this. So more free members, I should say, wanting to upgrade and get this tool. And we've got quite a few tools. And also there is the free version on this little, if you click on there, you'll get a free version. But obviously there's more templates in this particular one. And it's a great little tool. And don't forget, you can alter your links as well. Not on the click here button, but let's go back over and choose that template. Don't forget you can alter these images again, put in whatever you wish, and your call to action. You can change that button as well, and you'll find call to action buttons over at Pixabay. Okay, all you've got to do is click here. Just type in there, click here, and then it'll bring one or two click here ideas up that you can use to paste in there. So there we have it. That's our banner builder, and that's becoming more and more and more popular, and a lot of people are using it. We're seeing more and more of these banners being built. There's another one with an image in it already, look. And this has got some, maybe a bit too much that for that one. But you get the idea, and we want you to enjoy this tool. And incidentally, what we've started to do, as we see them being advertised in various advertising programs, we've been copying those with the target link and putting them onto our one of the login ads. So it's like free advertising to you. So just really enjoy the tool because it's so easy to use. And don't forget, like I've said, it's always being changed. That's why I've made this video again. There's all sorts you can do with this. There's all sorts you can do with this. I tell you, change the button colour. So look at that colour. You can do all sorts, and the text would be, I would think a black would be better there. It's gorgeous, really good tool. So this is Ian saying thanks for listening and bye for now. And if you like this video and it's informative, please like and even subscribe to our YouTube training channel. Okay, so this is Ian saying thanks for listening and bye for now, and we'll see you in the next video.